Hello everyone and welcome back to another YouTube video. First of all, I would like to thank everyone for 1000 subscribers. Been creating YouTube videos for the past 2 years and 1000 subscribers has always been a goal. So yeah, thank you for subscribing and without wasting your time or my time, without wasting your time or my time, let's get right into the video. 10 mistakes to avoid while trying to gain weight or while trying to lose weight. So yeah, let's get started and mast wala push workout bhi hoga. Let's go. Well, the first mistake which you obviously don't want to make is overcomplicating things. Listening to terms like calorie deficit, calorie surplus, matlab to lose weight you need to be in a calorie deficit, to gain weight you need to be in a calorie surplus. Listening to these terms and getting scared, oh I won't be able to do it, and then stop not doing it. Please don't get scared, okay? इससे कुछ बड़े terms नहीं है, okay? So yeah, if you want to learn more about calories, इधर एक card आ जाएगा ऊपर. So I have made a video named Calories which will explain everything to you about calories, yeah, about gaining weight, losing weight. So yeah, first, not getting scared or not overcomplicating things. So the second thing that you want to avoid is only focusing on workout and not focusing on diet. Simple example देता हूँ. 5 Oreos have 300 calories. 300 calories equals to like you running for an hour. Now tell me, what makes more sense? Not eating those 5 Oreos or running for an hour? So yeah, please focus on your diet, and only working out does not make sense. Remember, you can't outwork a bad diet. Remember that. Yeah. The third thing which you absolutely want to avoid while trying to lose weight or gain weight is not tracking your calories. This mistake was made by me too. मैं जब weight lose करने को try कर रहा था, I used to think that I'm eating in a deficit, but turns out I wasn't, and मेरा weight कम नहीं हुआ. Later on, I started tracking my calories. So yeah, start tracking your calories immediately. Even while you are trying to eat in a surplus, means increase your weight, track your calories. Varna, you may never know you are actually eating in a deficit. Use apps like Healthify Me or MyFitnessPal. They will help a lot. Yeah, so start tracking your calories.
Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste, bitch, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, bitch, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fucking bite me. I'll be cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not fucking likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running shit right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane. Making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains. I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange.
Thing which you absolutely want to avoid is making the necessary changes damn quickly. You have been eating shit for the past years or months, and you have not been, dedicated at all. So if you have to eat 2000 calories and you immediately make the changes, then you won't be able to, like you are currently eating 3000 and you are fat or you are thin, and you have to eat 3000 for bulking or something like that. Don't make the changes too quickly. Take your time, go slow. First start tracking calories, and if you have to eat 3000, then first go to 2500, then go to 3000. If you have to eat like in a deficit, then again, if you have to eat at 2000, then first go to 2200, 2100, then go to 2000. Don't directly grow from 3000 to 2000. You will not be able to do it for a long period. Hope you get it. Another thing that you want to avoid is eating in a huge surplus or eating in a huge deficit. Matlab, if your maintenance calories are 2000 and you want to lose weight, you can't eat 1000 calories. You have to eat like 1700, 1600. So yeah, varna you will lose a lot of muscle, you will lack all the essential nutrients. Similarly, while gaining your weight, if your maintenance are 2000, you can't go eating 3000 calories. You have to eat 2300, 2400. Hope you get it.
Popping off and risking things, gonna make a fucking name. I just wanna be famous, but I don't want that cheap fame. No, I'm not that vain. I just wanna be greatness. 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 Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly.
You want to avoid this, that you don't have enough not having enough protein. make sure you have enough protein because you don't want to end up losing muscle. At least per gram per pound of body weight. So if your body weight is 60, then have at least 120 grams of protein. So yeah, make sure you almost 120, around 130 ke aspas. So yeah, make sure you have that much protein. And plus, if you are trying to lose weight, your body, it takes time, it takes a lot of energy to digest protein, so you even burn a lot of calories, so that helps too. And yeah, make sure you have enough protein. Number 6.
If you wanna taste, bitch, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, bitch, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fucking bite me. Okay, I'm going off every chance I get. I don't really take a loss, well, I'll admit. That's why I'll make it to the top, yeah, I commit. And no, I'm never getting lost, I get after it. Investing in my own stock, cause it's faster than any crypto.
Setting your goal damn high. You won't look like Tiger Shroff in a day. Nobody will. You won't look like Dwayne Johnson in a day. It takes time, guys. Takes time. मुझे बहुत time लगा weight कम करने को. अभी वापस बढ़ा रहा हूँ. So yeah, don't set your goal damn high. Okay, it will take time, but it will for sure happen. So yeah, don't set it high. मतलब time लगता है. Also, आज वाट लग रहा है वर्कआउट में. 70 kg बेंच प्रेस में भी इशू हुआ. क्या हो रहा है मालूम नहीं, वरना 70 kg तो आराम से रेप्स के लिए मारता. आज एनर्जी बहुत कम है. 22.5 का भी सिर्फ 12 रेप्स का इंक्लाइन पे. बट होगा, टेंशन नहीं. Not all days are the best, right?
Searching for greatness in a sea of the dying and shameless, a sea of the aimless. I don't wanna be one of the nameless. I'ma wake up with the mindset that one day I'm gonna make it. And I don't think I'll be fine if I don't break my limitations. Don't try to stop me, I exist to write my own story.
The 8th mistake that you absolutely want to avoid is quitting damn early. The results may take months, days, weeks. You won't see them quickly. So don't quit damn early. I have seen many people who quit damn early. I know a few people who did after 2-3 days of not seeing results. Come on, it takes months, it takes years. So yeah, मैंने तो एक year हो गया मेरे को into lifting, and अभी results दिख रहे हैं. So don't quit damn early. It will help a lot.
I'll make a decision if I want some peace or if I want the glory, yeah. Don't want a life that is complacent or possibly boring, just want a life that is worth every day exploring, My whole life I just wanted someone who would notice me. My whole life.
Okay, tip number 9, make sure you get enough rest. At least 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night. Otherwise, lack of sleep messes up your workout, your mood, everything, and you will feel like shit the entire day, which won't help you lose weight or gain weight. So make sure you get enough rest. The 10th and the final tip, don't only focus on protein, focus on drinking enough water. Itna pani piyo ki you have to use the washroom like every 2 hours. Have enough rice, have enough fiber, sab khana, and don't only focus on protein, although it's damn important. But protein karte mat rehna. So yeah, have everything properly. And yeah, those were my 10 tips. मैंने ये अपने experience से बोला है. और disclaimer, मैं कोई trainer विनर कुछ नहीं हूँ. मैंने जो मेरे experience है उसके हिसाब से बोला है. So yeah, that's it. And if you want to join my gym, you live in the Borivali Daisar area, do check out Fitness Factory Borivali. शांतिवन में है, मैं कहीं पे फोटो डाल दूंगा. शांतिवन में है, सोना टॉकी इसके ऊपर 6th फ्लोर पे. So do check it out. उनका अभी कुछ मस्त ऑफर चालू है. And do follow me on Instagram at arya_sohani. Link in bio. If you want to check out resistance bands, go check out bandfit.in and use code ARYA10 for 10% discount and free shipping on your order. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching my vlog/informative video. And अभी मैं बीच में ही रोड पे रुका हूँ, बाजू से लोग जाते हुए देख रहे हैं. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Do like, share, subscribe, and yeah guys, thank you. Bye. Have fun.